Inspections. Oh my goodness. That is a time in the real estate transaction that gets a little scary for buyers. Hi, this is Linda Hardwick with Hardwick Properties Group, powered by eXp Realty. And during the option period, you're going to have your mechanical and structural repairs. You're also probably going to need to have a termite inspection if you have a loan. If the roof is over 10 years old, I recommend having a roofer come out and take a look at it. Same with the AC. So I always warn my buyers that the inspection report is going to look like an encyclopedia. You have to realize that the inspector's job is to report everything that is a defective, but also everything that is not to code. Well, you can buy a house in 1997 and it was out of code by 1998 because the code changed. Electrical and plumbing codes change often. And so all of that has to go in this inspection report. I've had a lot of buyers that were like, well, maybe it would be better if we just bought new construction. Please be aware that you're going to get the same encyclopedia on new construction. I've done inspections on new construction homes, and they come up with as many things as the resale homes do. So just be prepared for that. Then when it's time to make an offer for repairs, we want to be reasonable. We ask for repairs on things that anything that is considered a health and safety hazard. And we also want to take a look at big ticket items like the roof or the air conditioner, because those are things that potentially a buyer isn't going to want to have to spend money on as soon as they close on their home. That doesn't mean if the roof is given another life expectancy of 3 to 4 years that you can ask the seller to replace that. 3 or 4 years is a long time. And so that's why we want to go in and be reasonable with what we're asking for in repairs. And a lot of that will also have to do with our offer price. So if you have any questions, before I go into that, it's good if you as the buyer can be present at the inspection. It's a good time to come measure the rooms for your furniture, which I'll address in another video. But it's also good because the inspector can go over the report with you right there and give you his highlights on what he thinks might really be a safety issue or any big ticket items that are presenting problems. The inspection takes about 3 to 4 hours. You don't need to be present for the entire thing, but you can be. But you do want to be there for the last hour. If you have any questions at all about the real estate transaction or process or market, then please feel free to contact us. Again, this is Linda Hardwick with Hardwick Properties Group, and we are fiercely focused on client satisfaction.